everyone, welcome back to the channel. For anyone that's new here, my name is Claudio at Claudio Outdoors. This channel based off anything, all thing outdoors, such as overlanding, camping, finding beautiful campsites, campgrounds, you name it. This channel will have it. So it's extremely dark right now. The very first campsite we did find, it was extremely beautiful. It had a lot of snow, but unfortunately I saw a random guy on a bicycle in the middle of nowhere. It took me roughly 30-minute off-road just to get to that location, just to see a random person on the bicycle. I personally thought it was extremely weird, so we did not camp in that area. We did find, or I did mark down the area prior to coming to this trip for a sort of backup plan. This trail is extremely beautiful. It's currently riverside and the views are just amazing when it was sunlight, but now it's extremely dark. I'll show you guys around camp, and yeah. I found this really big piece of branch. I'm probably going to trim it up to get a campfire going, to keep a little bit warm when I'm not cooking. So probably going to start chopping it up, but this is the Milwaukee saw I use to chop up all my wood. Highly recommend it. It's really convenient, lightweight, and also don't use a lot of battery when being operated. Easy. Perfect, guys, so we finally chopped up all the wood, got the campfire going. Everything looks really nice and organized. We have the tent deployed already, the awning deployed, campfire going. Now it's time to eat, guys, because I'm starving, and it's currently 9:20 right now, so we got to start getting dinner ready, guys. Okay, so now we should start prepping our meal. Favorite table. I now store all my food in one container, so literally I take it out from the fridge. Everything is stored nice and organized in this pouch. Let me show you guys what I have in this mystery box. So we have a banana, we have some chips, we have some pre-made rice, white rice, nothing crazy. Avocado, my favorite, and some snacks. And this is the delicious short ribs my wife prepped for me, guys. Probably just gonna grab the grill now. All right, guys, so we finally got a cast iron up to temp, and we're ready to start cooking the meal. It's getting pretty late, and I'm extremely hungry, like I mentioned. All right, this is an Asian style meal. This meal consists of the following: 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half spoon of sugar, 1.5 spoon of garlic powder, 1.5 spoon of cornstarch, and let me see, one teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So that's what this meal consists of. This seasoning is really fantastic, guys. Highly recommend trying out this recipe as well. We love to eat around here, and what's better than short ribs at camp? All right, guys, the food is finally finished. Check it out. I highly recommend you guys try out this recipe. This meal took roughly 10 minutes on a cast iron to cook on medium heat. But honestly guys, what's better than this? We're out in nature. We have a beautiful river going. We have a nice campfire set. All the tent and all the bedding is already set up and ready for me to relax later on. But I highly encourage you guys to head out into nature with your loved ones or dog or anybody, just to have a good time and relax and kind of settle down with all the tension that's going on in the world. But I might just sit around the campfire, enjoy the meal, and head into bed, guys. Catch you guys next video. I appreciate you guys sticking around. Thank you.